In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Dating. We will walk through each tap together so your screen matches mine the whole time. Open the Facebook app. Once it loads, you should see your usual Facebook feed with posts from friends and pages. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to use for dating, since your dating profile connects to this account but stays in its own section. Now tap Menu, the three-line icon. On most phones, this menu icon is in the bottom right and sometimes in the top right. When you tap it, the screen changes to show a grid or list of options like Friends, Groups, and Marketplace. This is where Facebook hides many extra features, including dating. Next, tap Dating. The icon usually has a small heart symbol. When you open it the first time, Facebook may ask a few setup questions and show a short explanation screen. After that, you arrive on the main dating area with tabs for matches and settings and a central feed of people you might like. With that ready, browse the suggested profiles. You will see one profile at a time, usually with a large photo and their first name and age near the bottom. You can swipe up and down on the profile to see more of what Facebook suggests, and then move sideways to go to the next person when you are done. Now check their photos and profile information. You can usually tap on a photo to see it larger, and swipe through any extra pictures. Scroll down to read prompts, interests, work and education if they chose to share them. Beginners often forget to scroll and miss details like height, distance, or lifestyle notes that matter to them. Next up, use your dating preferences to find people who fit your choices. Look for the Preferences or Settings section inside Facebook Dating, usually shown as a small gear or filter word on the dating screen. Here you can choose age range, distance, and sometimes things like height, language, or children preferences. These choices affect who shows up in your suggestions, so if profiles look very random, come back here and refine these settings. If you like someone, tap the like button with the heart. As soon as you tap like, that person is notified in their dating area that someone liked them. On your side, they will move into your liked list, which you can check later. You do not start a chat yet, but you have signaled interest. If they also like you, you can become a match. When that happens, you will see them under the Matches tab inside Facebook Dating, with a small chat icon. A conversation box opens right inside the dating section, separate from Messenger, so your dating chats stay in one place. If you are not feeling a profile, tap Not Interested or the option to skip the profile. This lets Facebook know you do not want to see that person again in your suggestions. Over time, using Not Interested helps refine what the system shows you because it learns what you tend to pass on, or simply click the X icon. The X does the same thing, it skips that profile and moves you along. After you tap X, the profile disappears and the next suggestion slides into place. Facebook Dating will show other suggestions. As you like or skip people, new profiles keep appearing, and your Matches tab fills up whenever someone you liked likes you back. You have now learned how to open Facebook Dating, review profiles, adjust preferences, send likes, and handle matches and skips. If this helped you get started with Facebook Dating, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.